This time we're making a water pump pulley mount. A little bit of part on the pattern, just a little bit. Now this is a fairly high job, and I need to shift the parting line down into the drag a bit. So we'll just pack what will become the coat box up a little bit like this to start with. A little bit of basic sand. I don't have to be too fussy about this. I think this thing is going to be machined pretty much all over anyway. And we'll position through. Sit over some system sand. Seeing it's pretty high and I don't want it to sort of push out the sides a bit, I'll just poke it a little bit with my fingers first to firm it up a little. Alright, now holding my hands down the bottom to stop those little packers flying out. Go around. Because this pattern's very high, I can't ram completely over it. I've just sort of got to go around a bit like that and sort of miss the top of it. Firm up the sand around the base of the tapered sprue. Dig down to the pattern. Put the riser on it. More sand, lots more sand. Up underneath the riser. Always with this final ram I find it easier to start from the middle of the box. Rubbish. Nice and hard around the base of the riser and the sprue. Small amount of part down the two holes. Up to the centre of the big hole carefully, don't go too gung-ho at it. Bit of radius on that edge, quite a radius on here because it will be the bottom of the little pulling basin. Turn the hole over. The other bits of steel. Cut the mould down. Smooth it up. Smooth it up, round it off. Loosen this one. Makes it a bit easier to get out later. An edge like that angled edge there needs a fair bit of part on it. rather a lot. But we don't want any of that on the pattern. We don't want anywhere near that much on the pattern. It's terrible. So we can sweep that off. Blow a bit of that in the middle. That's not too bad. A little bit more facing sand, just a smidgen. Pockets like this are always a bit of a problem, so I just like to firm them up a little, just with a gentle prod, gentle couple of prods with the finger. Just a little bit of a push with the fingers to help protect that steeply angled edge. I can ram it good and tight. Just a little bit more here. It's easier again to start in the middle with this final ram, using your hand to stop the sand falling off the top of the mould. Just gently, gently. Turn it over. Oh, heavy, heavy, heavy. Loosen it. Wrap down the riser into the pattern. From the pins. Hold your breath and lift. Not too shabby at all, that'll do. Bit of part in there. Cut the gates and runner. I could just use only the one gate, but there's a lot of metal goes into this casting, and in order to spread the heat out a bit, I've decided to go for 2 gates. I'm going to go 2 gates, that's not too bad. Let's smooth it up a bit. Smooth the entrance to the riser up a bit. And very thoroughly blow all the loose grains of sand. Push that flat. Blind lift. I can't see what I'm lifting it off. You just got to do it by feel. A bit of a wobble and a rattle is what you need. And it's free. Pretty good. part. Trial close. Fit it into it. That knocks anything that's going to fall off before I close the mould finally. So just blow it down again. Properly. Final close. And the riser extension to give me a big enough riser. And the sprue extension to get the metal up the right height. Done.
Righto, grab an end. Hop. Not right, not sitting right, but it'll be right. Swing her in a bit. Down, that's it. Ooh, moved. In the shank. Hold it. In a bit. That's it.